How to redeem codes on Pokemon Go. Hey guys, and welcome back. If you have different discount codes and promo codes for Pokemon Go, just open any of your browser and on the search bar type in Pokemon Go and go to its official website. Or you could directly click on offer redemption option and you land to this page. Hereby, you just have to sign in order to get redeemed. You can sign in using your credentials or Facebook account, Google account, Apple ID, and much more. Once signed in, from this link you will land to the redeem code page. Thereby, you have to enter the promo code or the discount code available with you, and you should be good to go. You will also receive a notification or the success message that you can confirm for redemption. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.